right? After the riddling, we stock them like that, and we will now make the last job. Because you've never seen a bottle of champagne like this one. All the one you know are very clean of course, and no yeast, no crown cap, but the natural cork and the beautiful labels. The first job will now consist in freezing the neck of the bottle. We will introduce a part of the bottle in a glycol liquid solution, which will freeze the temperature of this part of the bottle at 18 or 20 degrees minus zero. And so when this part was frozen, totally frozen, we could now take the bottle and put it on the normal position. All the sediment will be frozen and stick to the crown cap. That's why it don't go back into the champagne. But when we change the angle of the bottle, the carbonic gas which was here, you see them, will immediately go up, right? Logical. And when it will go up, it will touch the crown cap. It will touch the yeast, the frozen yeast, and we will open very, very short and strongly with a decapsuler the metallic crown caps, which makes that the bottle was open, the pressure arrived, and explodes out of the bottle the frozen sediment. Immediately after, we will introduce in the bottle some cane sugar, 1 centiliter of cane sugar to make brut champagne, or 3 centiliters of cane sugar to make extra brut champagne, right? Demi-sec, sorry, sweet champagne, demi-sec champagne, right? When we would like, in the very best years, to make something very special, we call it extra brut champagne, no sugar at all. That's why in the very best years, when the sugar was perfect, the acidity was perfect, when everything was perfect to make something very rare, very exceptional, we don't mix any sugar after the disgorging. Just a few centiliters of the first bottle which was open, because when we explode the sediment of the bottle, we lose 3 centiliters of champagne, so we immediately fill up with the first bottle, right? Immediately after the bottle, we receive the natural cork, the metallic muzzle. The bottle will be now washed, dried and labeled, and will be packaged immediately, ready for sales a few weeks later. So at the end, we need 3 years between the first harvest and the bottle ready for sales in the cases, right?
It's unusual